Here's the litter of pigs that was just born this evening. She finished having pigs about an hour ago. She has 15 baby piglets. Some of them are all white, some of them are brownish red and white. You can hear the sow grunting to them. She'll let down her milk so they can nurse. Piglets will start nursing almost right away within a few minutes of being born. Producing milk and nursing their young is one of the things that makes a pig a mammal. You can also see here, I'll zoom in at how thick her hair is. You can see how much hair a pig actually has. Having hair makes pigs a mammal as well. And obviously they give birth to live young. That's just a few of the reasons that make pigs mammals. You can see some of the placenta, the afterbirth that she's passing now. It'll come out after she has had birthed all of her piglets. A pretty lively group. Just trying to roll up a little bit so they can nurse the other side of her udder. It's about 9 o'clock on Saturday evening. Today is, I believe, November the 12th of 2016. And so far, all the piglets are doing well. There's two little runts in the litter in here. And you can see one of the little girls. That's a little runt right there. She's just cute as a button. This little guy on top, he must have nursed, now he's sleepy.